Hey everybody, this is Daryl at hudsonscustommachining.com, and we're back today with the old dreaded Eck fan motor. This is the one that had the bad shaft in it, and we took the shaft out. It was bent. It was actually bent one way in the journal area and then bent another way out on the end of the shaft, so it was bent in like a S shape, and ended up having to cut it out and pressed it out of the rotor. And so I've made a new shaft here. This is the new rotor shaft. I wish I'd taken a picture of it before I pressed it in there, but anyway, I've already got it in there now. There was a little section there that I had to machine away to get this pin out. If you look at the previous video prior to this one, you'll see where I'm taking that pin out. This was the old original shaft. Somebody had turned this diameter down and made a sleeve and sleeved this shaft to bring it back up to the diameter it's supposed to be. It was bent here, it was bent there, so we just had to start all over again. So I made a new shaft for it, and I'm getting ready to put it in the motor now. The motor's been freshly rewound, so electrically it's all ready to go. I've got new bearings. See the new bearing down in there, and then in the end bell here there's a new bearing in here, and I'm about to put it all back together. I just wanted to take a photo of that new rotor shaft there before it goes in. Once I get this thing all buttoned back up, I don't want to be taking it back apart again. So next step, we're going to put this thing together and see if we can adjust get everything aligned and adjusted just right, get the end play adjusted on it, and put power to it, and hopefully this thing's going to run good. So stay tuned, more to come.